Imagine a machine that tells you it's about to break down before it does. That's not sci-fi, it's AI-powered predictive maintenance. For years, factories relied on reactive maintenance, fixing things after they break, or preventive maintenance, replacing parts on a fixed schedule. Both waste time and money. Predictive maintenance uses sensors to continuously monitor things like vibration, temperature, and pressure. Machine learning models learn what normal looks like and flag anomalies that signal a coming failure. Here is a simple Python example that loads sensor data, trains a random forest model, and predicts if a machine will fail. AI doesn't replace your maintenance team. It gives them superpowers. By predicting failures weeks in advance, they can schedule repairs during planned downtime and keep production running. Predictive maintenance is a game changer. Start with a simple model, expand your data sources, and let AI tell you when things will break.